What if income tax ceases to exist in India? A world where your hard-earned income remains untouched by the tax authorities. I know you would be the happiest person in this universe, obviously, because you would be getting an additional 30 to 40% in your pocket. But what about the after effects on the economy? A point to think about. Income tax is a significant revenue source for the government which funds essential services and infrastructures. However, few people argue that abolishing it could bring economic and societal benefits. Countries like UAE and Saudi Arabia are thriving without personal income tax, and they have witnessed robust GDP growth rates even exceeding the global average. Studies suggest that the increased disposable income can boost consumer spending by 20 to 30%, which will eventually stimulate economic growth. If India follows this, theoretically it has the potential to elevate the GDP growth rate by around 0.5%, fostering job creation and enhancing living standards. India's complex tax code creates an obstruction in ease of doing business. A simplified system can attract foreign investment and even nurture domestic entrepreneurship and more Silicon Valleys in the country. Additionally, abolishing income tax might combat tax evasion and black money, enabling more transparent and accountable financial landscape. But we should not forget the fact that the Indian government heavily relies on income tax to fund crucial social services. The abrupt removal without viable revenue alternative could lead to budget deficits and service deterioration. Replacing income tax would necessitate identifying alternative revenue sources, as it contributes to around rupees 20 lakh crores to the government's budget. Thus, removing it would potentially impact existing GST rates, property taxes and other indirect taxes, which will definitely have a long-term economic and social consequences. This could also disrupt the wealth inequality, as most of the tax burden would shift to indirect taxes, which is a regressive tax form and will impact the lower income individuals more. Yes, the rich will get richer and the poor will get poorer. I have added the links to some of the reading materials in the description so that you can build your knowledge on this concept. The proposition of abolishing income tax in India is a complex decision, as it holds the promise of economic growth while at the same time posing significant challenges. What are your thoughts on this what if scenario? Share it in the comments and also let us know what are the other what if scenarios you would like us to decode. Also, don't forget to like the video, and since this is my first video, let's target to get at least 50 likes. This is Isha from What If Finance signing off.